Hey guys, today I'm working with a GE 15 cubic foot deep freeze. It's a little bit older style, but that being said, built like a tank. These things are solid, they last forever. And I'm going to show you real quick in this video that it is in fact freezing like it's supposed to. I've gone through and thoroughly cleaned, sanitized it, made sure it's good to go. I've got my temperature gun here, right in between those two red dots. It's going to take a surface temperature measurement, so anywhere I shine this here, you're going to get the degrees in Fahrenheit there. So go ahead and lift this up. See, it's got a light. Just kind of shine it around here for you to see. It's -10, almost -20, or better in some spots here. So you can see, nice and clean. It's got your drain plug down there, drain plug on the outside there, and everything's in good shape. I just like to do these videos so you can kind of see it before you drive over and pick it up. That way you know when you get it home, plug it in, everything's going to work good. That's how I like to spend my money, so that's how I like to sell my items. Go ahead and get this listed up, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks, have a great day.